Don't you just hate it when a kid is misbehaving in your class and it's to the point where you really need some help, and so you call somebody and they might just walk in and all of a sudden the kid turns it around and behaves perfectly. Don't you hate that? Yeah, it's super aggravating. But here's the thing. I want you to be careful about expecting something more to happen. When you have to call somebody for help because the child won't settle down and that person shows up and the child settles down, you're good. You're fine. You've got what you need. Try to stay there. But if you're aggravated because you had to call someone or you feel like maybe you weren't good at the moment in managing that behavior, that's going to happen. And nobody should hold that against you. But if you get into a place where you're like, well, what are you going to do about it now? Are they going to get a punishment? Do you need another punishment? If the behavior was corrected just by the presence of somebody having to show up, then you're good to go.